Hey Guru Nation, how's it going? So we just finished like post-site initiation visit. This is a few days after our SIV. I'm with my business partner, nurse practitioner Jaime Baez, and Sabai. And we did the post-SIV action items. And a lot of it had to do with getting the ECG, because this study is very heavy on the ECG. They have an ECG holster for patients. So it's not just a regular ECG machine that they give sites, you know, the big box. This is a small and then an even smaller one, so two different types, because there's a lot of ECGs in this study and the patients are expected to take it home. So we had to like set that up. First we had to do the training. So what did you think of it all, Jaime? Like, this was your first time doing like a training for a vendor or like action items. We also did the regulatory docs, like the rest of the things that were not signed, like the delegation log that wasn't initialed by the PI because not everyone was trained yet. So we finished that after we got each sub-I trained. But then we started doing the real training of the ECG. So what did you think? Like, what was it compared to what you expected?
You know, and always once we get the end product, it's so easy. Everything's like already set up and straightforward. And putting like connecting everything, it was more labor than I thought it would be, and then of course all the kinks we have to iron out. But overall it's good because once we do it once, the next time we do it, it'll be just super easy and very straightforward. But it's interesting because as you said, it's 2 units. So 1 unit for monitoring inside of the clinic for a number of hours and do EKGs with it. And then the regular holter, which is less leads to, and obviously less data for them to take home for a total of 24 hours or so.
Yep. And in addition to that, that took the majority of the time. They had to do a test. Jaime had to do a test ECG on me. So I had to like take off my shirt. Jaime got to see my muscles. And then I put, you know, we put the electrodes and we did the test transmissions. And we have 2 protocols, 2 sister protocols. So everything you have to do normally for 1 study, which is still a lot of work, we had to do twice. So we did like double the work basically because it's 2 studies in 1 sitting.
Yeah, that's right.
So that's why it took a long time. In addition to that, we got access, or at least I got access to the ACM laboratory. I think you have to, I don't think there's a training for that. I think it's just a login. Yeah. That's where you can order more kits and things like that. We got access to all the forms to order more ECGs. And that's basically it. I think the other portal we still have to have access to is the IWRS, where we can actually enroll patients. I have to ask them about that. And then I got the EDC self-training, and we made sure that everyone who needed access to the EDC got trained on the slides for the EDC system. So really it's just the IWRS, or they call it the ITRS system, which we actually didn't get access to that yet. So next week, once all this stuff's done, next week I'm gonna ask for that. I think it's just a quick tutorial for that, and then we're good to go. In the new year, screen patients.
That's right. Start with the new year the right way.
And we're already thinking of, all right, the staff, we have all the MAs here. We're going to be nice to them, start bringing them some Dutch Brothers coffee.
That's right.
That was Jaime's idea. Like, hey, we should bring them Dutch Brothers. So to encourage them to help us and to pre-screen. So we'll keep you guys posted. Stay tuned for more videos. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye.